To buy Trump coin on Crypto.com, you need to have an account on the platform. If you do not have one, go to the Crypto.com website and sign up by providing the required information such as your email, address, password, and other personal details. Verify your account through the email sent by Crypto.com. Once your account is verified, log in to your Crypto.com account and navigate to the trade page. On the trade page, you will see a search bar where you can type Trump coin to find it. If Trump coin is not available on the trade page, you may need to go to the Crypto.com app or other platforms that support Trump coin. After finding Trump coin, click on it to go to its detail page. On the detail page, you will see the current price of Trump coin, its market capitalization, and other relevant information. To buy Trump coin, click on the Buy button and enter the amount of money you want to spend. You can pay with fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. If you do not have any cryptocurrency in your Crypto.com account, you can add funds using your credit or debit card, or through a bank transfer. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the cost of the Trump coin and any applicable fees. After entering the amount, review your transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount of Trump coin you are buying, the price, and the fees. If everything is correct, confirm your transaction. Once you confirm your transaction, the Trump coin will be added to your Crypto.com account. You can then hold onto it, sell it, or transfer it to an external wallet. Always keep in mind that cryptocurrency investments can be volatile, so make sure you do your research and set a budget before buying any cryptocurrency. It is also important to keep your Crypto.com account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your password and other sensitive information safe. By following these steps, you can buy Trump coin on Crypto.com and start your cryptocurrency investment journey.